Hey guys, it's Laura Prisco here from St. Tammany Parish Schools. Today I want to talk about high and low sounds and how the size of object determines the sound that comes from it. So let's take a field trip inside my piano. If you look over here at the fat strings, they have a low sound. And on the right, we have the smaller strings and they have a high sound. So we can determine that small is high and big is low. That is how the music goes. So let's do an activity to reinforce that concept. I want you to be able to tell the difference between a high sound and a low sound. So if you hear a high sound, I want you to flap your wings like a bird, which makes a high sound. And if you hear a low sound, I want you to show me bear claws or bear ears to signal that it's a low sound. Here we go. You should be flapping your wings like a bird. See bears out there. Very good. Now let's do one more game. It goes like this. If you hear a high sound, I want you to clap your hands to the beat. 1, 2. And when you hear a low sound, I want you to stomp your feet to the beat. That's high. You should be clapping. That's both high and low. Good job, guys. So just to sum up what we talked about today, small things have a high sound. Skinnier strings, smaller instruments, and big things have a low sound. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.